Hi, welcome to reading class. You are still doing Sat 3 in your ebook, and I know you've been reviewing the S and SH sound, and he, she, and memorizing said, SAID. Today is this is one of our words. It's very easy. You all know this word because we write it in our journal almost every day, right? And it is the word I. And I is also the letter I. So very, very simple. The one thing I want you to remember about this letter I, when you're talking about yourself and you are writing in your journal, and you say, I am having a good day, I am doing something kind, always make sure it's the capital I. Even some of the older kids forget and they put a lowercase I. But whenever you're talking about yourself and you say I, make sure that it is a capital I, okay? Now this capital I says I because this is the word I, but the capital I could also be at the beginning of a word like it and make it sound I. So actually it, right? The letter I can say I, but this here is the word I, talking about yourself. I, right? I am important. Our second word is see, and those kind of go together, don't they? I see a kitten. I see an apple tree. I see dinner done, right? I see. So see, and I always kind of like this word because it even looks like it can see, right? So we know it starts with S, the S sound, but look at the two E's. They always remind me of two eyes. Two of these kind of eyes looking at me, right? So double eyes in the word E, and double E does say E, S, E, C, but it looks like this word can actually see, right? Because it has the two eyes. See. And today, for those of you, those are kind of simple words. Just remember I and see. But today for the older kids, when you're reading, because I know you're still reading and the books I gave you are on Epic or books you have at home or something you ordered. And I'm so proud of you for practicing your reading. But today, I would like you to read whatever you read today, whatever you choose to read. I want you to write down some comprehension questions, which means that if someone else were to read the book, what you could ask them questions and they could answer. So if I read Green Eggs and Ham, I think Uncle Dick was reading that book to you today, I can ask the question, does Sam like green eggs and ham in the beginning? And then that's a question, a comprehension question. Or where is one of the places that he will not eat green eggs and ham, right? So you can ask questions of things that happen in the book and then ask those questions to someone who has read the book, right? So you know the answers. You ask the questions, you know the answers, and see if someone else can read that book or that chapter or that page or whatever it is that you read and see if they can get your questions right. Okay, so that's your challenge today. Keep reading. Read today, read tomorrow, always read every day. All right, and have a fun day.